his eyes on those delicious bananas. Help Mango cross the bridge safely by learning about fact families. Time to learn. In a fact family, the same three numbers are used to make two addition facts and two subtraction facts. In this fact family, the numbers 1, 4, and 5 are used to make 1 plus 4 equals 5, 4 plus 1 equals 5, 5 minus 1 equals 4, and 5 minus 4 equals 1. The addition sentences always use the greatest number as the sum. These facts are different because the add-ins are in a different order. The subtraction facts always start with the greatest number. The facts are different because the number you are subtracting has been switched with the difference. These facts make up a fact family. The numbers 4, 6, and 10 are used to make all four facts. These facts do not make up a fact family. Each fact uses a different set of numbers. Fact families can help you remember addition and subtraction facts. Choose the four facts that make a fact family. Fact finding. Choose the four facts that make a fact family. You made Mango's day. Choose the four facts that make a fact family. Oh no! Look for the same three numbers, 4, 10, and 14. Awesome thinking! Choose the three numbers that can make a fact family. You did it! Choose the three numbers that can make a fact family. Fantastic fact finding! Congratulations! You helped Mango cross the bridge. You're a fabulous fact finder.
다시 하기. 인형의 집 꾸미기. 패티와 함께 인형의 집을 꾸며볼까요? 인형의 집을 꾸며볼 거야. 집이랑 가구를 정해놓은 뒤 완성되면 다음 버튼을 눌러줘. 다음 그만하기. 인형의 집을 꾸며줘서 고마워.
motion that made him look funny. Help him get back to normal by estimating and measuring capacity. Capacity describes how much liquid a container can hold. Measure capacity using units like these mugs. The capacity is the number of units it takes to fill the container. This beaker holds 6 mug units of juice. Make an estimate or a good guess about capacity by using what you know about another container. This beaker holds 4 units. It's about the same size as Mango's beaker, so we can estimate that Mango's beaker holds about 4 units as well. A beaker that is bigger than this will hold more than 4 units. A beaker that is smaller than this one will hold less than 4 units. Measure the capacity of this beaker. Drag the mug units to the container. Click check when you're finished. Nice measuring! Mango looks a little better, but we still have some work to do. Measure the capacity of this beaker. Drag the mug units to the container. Click check when you're finished. Cool capacity. Measure the capacity of this beaker. Drag the mug units to the container. Click check when you're finished. You're a measuring whiz. This beaker holds 7 units of bubbling blue liquid. How many units do you think it will take to fill this beaker? 6 units, 3 units, 10 units, 3 units. You're a measuring master. Mango's back to normal thanks to you. Let's try one more problem to make sure we have the correct formula. The green beaker holds 4 units of bubbling green liquid. How many units do you think it will take to fill the pink beaker? Choose the best estimate. 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. You did it! You estimate and measure capacity like a pro. Congratulations! You helped Mango mix a magic potion. You're a measuring maniac.